Have you ever wondered how to make cream spinach on a budget? Well, today is the day that you learn how to make this amazing recipe. So I'm going to be using a few ingredients which you're going to find listed down in the description box. The first step is to steam my spinach. So I'm going to place a pot over medium flame, and I've already washed and chopped my spinach. So I'm ready to transfer in the pot. As the spinach is cooking, stir oftenly so that the spinach can wilt down and cook. In about a minute, the spinach is going to be fully wilted, so you're going to turn off the heat. Don't overcook the spinach. And then I'm going to transfer to another burner. Place another pan over medium heat, and then I'm going to add 1 large onion. Cook until the onion is softened up. When my onion is starting to soften up, I'm going to be adding in a seasoning cube, nutmeg, and all-purpose flour. Stir in the all-purpose into the onions and let it cook for around 1 minute until the raw taste of the flour is gone. Next, I'm going to add in some milk as I stir. The purpose of the all-purpose flour in this recipe is to thicken our roux. So after adding the milk, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt because the seasoning is not perfect. This is how it's looking, and you'll notice that it's super creamy. So the next thing is to add my spinach back into the pan. Stir in the spinach into the creamy sauce and make sure it's fully coated with the goodness. Why is my recipe budget friendly? Because I've not used butter. So if you don't have butter, you can try out this recipe, and it's still going to give you a very awesome creamed spinach recipe. My creamed spinach is ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat, and it's smelling super amazing. So this is it. My cream spinach is looking very nice. It's delicious and cooked to perfection, and I love the flavor that the nutmeg has added into my cream spinach. So I hope you'll be trying out this amazing and simple recipe at home and enjoy.